yn Cymru ers 2007. Dwi dod o Ogledd Iwerddon yn reiddiol. Mae gŵr, merch a 2 orion gyda fi. Dwi'n wedi ymddeol. Dwi wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg am 2 flynedd. Dechreuais i dysgu Cymraeg achos bod oeris yn mynd i'r ysgol Gelli Aur, adran Gymraeg, a dwi eisiau helpu hi. I saw Cymraeg i Blant advertised in Pembroke Library, and my daughter and I decided to come along. And when she went back to work, I continued to come along with my grandson. Our group in Hyfryd, friendly and very welcoming. Dwi'n canu gyda côr dysgwyr Sir Benfro. Dwi'n mwynhau gyda côr dysgwyr yn fawr iawn. Dwi'n mwynhau canu gyda côr yn fawr iawn. Dwi wedi gwneud llawer o ffrindiau newydd. Dyn ni wedi yn cystadlu yn y National Eisteddfod yn 2 waith. Roedd canu ar y llwyfan fawr yn bendigedig. Being in the choir gives me lots of opportunities that I would never otherwise have had to attend events that are going on in the area. We've been to Goel Dysgwyr, in Scolton, we have been lots of places. I do feel that it's very important for the children to learn Welsh at as young an age as possible, and Cymraeg i Blant certainly gives them that chance while still having lots of fun. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen i fynd nôl i'r dosbarth i ddysgu mwy o Gymraeg ar y cwrs sylfaen. Ac wrth gwrs, Cymraeg i Blant gyda Bethan.